Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online video classes of History and Civics. Today we are going to study about the chapter, the legislature, and in it, today we will discuss about book exercises and question answer. So let's start with books exercise. Before starting the exercise, please take out your class 8 history civics book and open the chapter, the legislature and exercise. Then whatever questions are there, I'll speak and note down the answers here. You have to listen it very clearly and note down it on your notebook. Understood? Now start with filling the blanks. Filling the blanks 1. The three organs of government are the legislature. First blank is legislature, the executive and the judiciary. It means the first filling the blanks is the three organs of government are the legislature, executive and judiciary. Now filling the blanks number 2. Currently, the voting age is 18 years. What it is? 18 years. Now third, the councils of ministers is responsible to the Lok Sabha. The councils of ministers is responsible to the Lok Sabha. Answer number 3 in filling the blanks is the Lok Sabha. Now fourth, the Rajya Sabha members are elected for a period of 6 years. How many years? 6 years. On most occasions, now fifth, filling the blanks, fifth. On the most occasions, the president acts on the advice of prime minister. At whose advice he is working? The prime minister. Now, exercise number B. Match the followings. Now, from column A, I will read out the question and answers are here. You have to only match and note down in your book. Such as, match the following. Number 1, legislature. Its answer is E, makes laws for the country. Legislature 1, answer is E, makes laws for the country. Now, answer number B2 from D, president. Answer is D, nominates 12 members to the Rajya Sabha. B2, president. Answer is D, nominates 12 members to the Rajya Sabha. B3, the speaker. Answer is A, decides on the money bill. 3, speaker A, answer is A, decides on the money bill. Now fourth, question number 4, match the following. 4B, answer is 4B, responsible for all India services. Rajya Sabha is responsible for all India services. The last from the match the following is B5. Question is voting age in India, as you already know it, and we have studied already in the filling the blanks also, 18 and above. The voting age is in India is 18 years and above. Dear students, there was one error in the writing. I had written earlier here B, 5B, but it was 5C because answer number B is already mentioned in 4. So here you have to mention in your notebook 5C, 18 years and above. So now we will start with take the correct answers. Now next exercise is take the correct answers. Here I will read the questions from my book and you have to take the correct answers which are given or written on the board. So here the first question is, what is the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha? Answer is 552. So dear students, take correct mark in your book in front of 552. Now next question is, who nominates 12 members in the Rajya Sabha? The answer is the President. Answer 2 is the President. Now next question is, how many members are there in the UP Legislative Assembly? The correct answer is 404. How many members are there in UP Legislative Assembly? Answer is 404. Now, how many states are there in India? Answer is 29. The question is, how many states are there in India? Answer is 29. Now, last question from the correct answer is, what is the voting age in India? From the starting of this chapter book exercise, you have found this question in each, in the fill in the blanks also, in the match the following also, and now in take the correct answers. The answer of this question is 18 years. What is the question? What is the voting age in India? Voting age in India is 18 years. So now we will start with exercise number D, answer in one word. Now next exercise is exercise D, answer in one word. First question is from the book, which community gets a special attention from the President? Question is, which community gets a special attention from the President? Answer is artists, writers and social servants. Again, artists, writers, social servants. Now question number 2. How many constituencies are there in the country for the representation in the Lok Sabha? Once again, question number D2. How many constituencies are there in the country for representation in the Lok Sabha? Answer is 545. Answer number D2 is 545. Now question 3. Question 3 is, who maintains law and order in the Lok Sabha? Who maintains law and order in the Lok Sabha? Answer D3 is the Speaker. Who maintains the law and order in the Lok Sabha? The Speaker maintains law and order in the Lok Sabha. But you have to mention only in one word, so you will write only Speaker. Now next question is a typical one, wherever you are getting one question, to which list do the following subject belongs? So in your book you have 4A education, 4B fisheries, 4C defense, then 4D population control, 4E railways and 4F foreign affairs. But here I have mentioned all of them separately according to the list. UL means here union list, in it defense, which is given on C in your book, 4C, then railways 4E, then foreign affairs 4F. These all three are in union list. Now SL means state list and fisheries 4B is in the state list. Now concurrent list is first is education. 4A education is in concurrent list. Next is population control, which is 4D. So concurrent list is like this. Education and population control matters are in the concurrent list. Now question number 5, D means D5. Which house is more important as far as money bill are concerned? Which house is more important as far as money bills are concerned? Answer is Lok Sabha. So again the question number 5, which house is more important as far as money bill are concerned? So answer is the Lok Sabha. Now we will start with answer the following questions. Before it, as you know, answer the following questions. Now, question E, answer the following questions. Here, as you know, answer the following questions are quite lengthy to give in writing in the video classes. So, that's why I have decided that I will provide you some page number on which you will go through with my lectures, open my lecture videos and then listen it carefully, and after listening it, go to that pages where you will find your answers, and that answers you have to write in your own words, in your own sentences, such as question 1. What are the qualifications required of person seeking election to the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and State Legislative Assembly? So you have to go on page number 159 and 160. There is heading also, Lok Sabha, eligibility and tenure, Rajya Sabha and eligibility and tenure. So on these page, when you will go through the lines with my video class, so you will be able to solve or write your answer in your own words. So answer number 1 will be on page number 159 and 160. Now question number 2 is, what is the composition of Rajya Sabha? As I have told you, on the page number 160 you will get the heading, the Rajya Sabha, in which you will get the answer, the composition of the Rajya Sabha. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is like this: explain the procedure of passing money bill. You have to open the page number 161. There is a heading, money bill, in which you will get your answer after reading that paragraph and listening my video. O class, you will get your answers. Answer number 4 will be on page number 162 and 163. Question number 4 is like this: what is the composition of the state legislature? So when you will open page number 162 and 163, you will get the heading, the state legislature and composition of a state legislature. From there, after reading that paragraph, you have to change the sentences according to your own self, keeping the grammar and sentences in your mind. Then you will write your answers. Now question number 5. Why is the Lok Sabha the more important of the two houses? This you will get on page number 161. Now question number 6 is, what is the difference between a state and union list? Then you have to open page number 158, where it is mentioned the heading, division of powers between the centers and a state, and you will find out on this page the difference between union and state list or concurrent list. What are the differences and what are the definitions? After reading that text, you will write your answer. Then answer number 7 means question number 7 is, explain the lawmaking procedure. The lawmaking procedure, the heading, this heading is given on page number 161. When you will open your textbook, you will get that heading and write your answers in your own words. Now we will go for the photo study question. Now photo study questions. Look at the picture in your book and answer the following questions, such as first question is, which function of government is performed in this house? So picture is of Lok Sabha and answer is like this: lawmaking functions are done by the Lok Sabha. First question is, which function of government is performed in this house? The answer is, lawmaking functions are done by the Lok Sabha. Question number 2, what are its members known as? Question number 2 is asking, what are its members known as? MPs. Answer is MPs, member of the parliament. Answer number 2 is MPs, member of the parliament. Third question is, Mention any two important functions performed by its members. So answer is money bill can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha. Money bill can be introduced only in Lok Sabha. And the councils of ministers is both individually and collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. Money bill can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha, and the councils of ministers is both individually and collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. In same answer, number 3, the point number 2 is the Rajya Sabha plays no role in no confidence motion. Answer number 3.2, the Rajya Sabha plays no role in a no confidence motion. This is the answer number 3 of photo study question. The question was, mention any two important functions performed by its members. The first function we have discussed earlier, and this is the second function. So dear students, today we have finished the book's exercise work and question answer of the chapter 1, the legislature. In our next class, we will start the book exercise work and question answer of the chapter 2, the executive. Till then, have a nice day and thank you.